Hi, I'm Seng. So we will show you how to set up the router, printer and drawer in FoodZaps. Thank you.
So the hardware is like this. So we got the glass tablet, the tablet holder, and then the router, and then the printer. It is like this, and then the drawer. Okay, and the card with your Wi-Fi password. So in here, your router will connect with the adapter. The router, the LAN cable will connect to the printer. Make sure that it is connected to the grey port, or also known as the LAN port, not to the one. This one is for the internet, and this one is for the printer. So printer, for the drawer cable will connect to it. Then this one is a power adapter, and this is for the drawer. So after connected and turn it on, so after that, if you want to change the paper, just click on the button here, and the paper will be like this. So make sure that the paper, this one, is putting like this and facing here, and flip it. Okay. And then after that, once you have connected to our T-Tech Wi-Fi, go to the FoodZaps apps. Then when you click open, the drawer will open.
Cari pos system, cari aseng.
關鍵嘅錯，find 到
aseng.
找 post system 找 aseng